Hi guys and welcome to happy, healthy, and delicious new video. 3 super easy and delicious pasta recipes that anyone can cook. You want to cook pasta like a real Italian chef, but you are not sure in the final result? If the answer is yes, this video is just for you. Here are 3 easy and delicious pasta recipes that are perfect for cooks of any skill level, and the result will be mamma mia. Pasta recipe number 1. Garlic butter spaghetti. Here is what you will need. For the start, prepare 200 grams of spaghetti. Then you need 4 tablespoons butter. After that, mince 4 garlic cloves. And also you need to chop 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. You will season at the end with salt and black pepper up to your taste. And if you love grated Parmesan cheese, put a generous amount for extra flavor. The instructions for preparation are super easy. 1. Cook spaghetti in salted boiling water until al dente. 2. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta water, then drain. 3. Melt butter in a pan over medium heat. 4. Add garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 2 minutes. 5. Toss in the pan the cooked spaghetti, adding reserved pasta water to loosen if needed. Season with black pepper and add the grated Parmigiano. Now you can enjoy the amazing dish you prepared. Pasta recipe number 2. Creamy tomato penne. What you will need: 200 grams of penne pasta, 1 cup tomato puree, 1/2 cup heavy cream or coconut cream, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon chili flakes for a spicy taste, optional, salt and pepper to taste, basil leaves for garnish, if you wish. 6 easy steps to prepare it. 1. Cook penne according to package instructions and drain. 2. Heat olive oil in a pan, add garlic, and sauté for 1 minute. 3. Add tomato puree, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. 4. Simmer for 5 minutes. 5. Stir in cream and mix until combined. 6. Add cooked pasta and toss. Share this delicious pasta with your friends. Pasta recipe number 3. Lemon zucchini linguine. Here are the super fresh ingredients: 200 grams of linguine pasta, 1 zucchini, spiralized or thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 garlic clove, minced, juice and zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan, optional, salt and black pepper to taste. Here are your easy steps. 1. Cook linguine in salted water until al dente. 2. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta water, then drain. 3. Heat olive oil in a pan. 4. Add garlic and zucchini, sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. 5. Stir in lemon juice and zest. 6. Add cooked linguine and toss together. 7. Adjust consistency with reserved pasta water. 8. Sprinkle Parmesan if desired and season to taste. Enjoy the deep Italian taste. Each recipe is simple, quick, and packed with amazing flavors. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like a variation or have other quick and delicious pasta recipe. See you in the next delicious live video.